Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Twin Talk English Podcast. My name is Lena, and I am very happy you are here today. This is your safe place to learn English. Here, you can listen, you can repeat, you can practice, and you can grow step by step. In today's episode, we will learn something very useful. We will learn how to explain your day in English. Yes, your day, your real life, your morning, your work, your evening, your night. Simple English, easy words, clear sentences. If you are a beginner, this episode is perfect for you. So relax, take a deep breath, and let's begin. Part 1, talking about your morning. Let's start with the morning. Morning is the first part of the day. It is very important. When you wake up, your day begins. Now listen carefully. I will speak slowly. You can repeat after me. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I open my eyes. I stretch my arms. I get out of bed. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I look in the mirror. I take a shower. I feel fresh. I feel clean. Then I wear my clothes. I comb my hair. I get ready. After that, I eat breakfast. I eat eggs. I eat bread. I drink tea. I drink coffee. Breakfast gives me energy. Now let's make a full sentence. I wake up at 6. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. Very good. You can say, I wake up at 7. I wake up at 8. I wake up early. I wake up late. All are correct. Your morning is your story. Part 2, talking about your daytime. Now let's talk about the daytime. Daytime is when you work, when you study, when you go outside. Listen. After breakfast, I go to work. After breakfast, I go to school. After breakfast, I study at home. You can choose one. I take a bus. I ride a bike. I walk. I drive a car. I reach my office. I reach my school. I reach my class. Then I start my work. I open my computer. I read my books. I write notes. I listen to my teacher. I talk to my friends. I talk to my coworkers. Sometimes I feel busy. Sometimes I feel tired. Sometimes I feel happy. At lunchtime, I eat food. I eat rice. I eat chicken. I eat vegetables. I eat fruits. I drink water. After lunch, I work again. I study again. I try my best. Let's practice together. I go to work. I do my job. I eat lunch. I work again. Good job. Part 3, talking about your evening. Now let's move to the evening. Evening is a relaxing time. Work is finished. School is finished. Now it is time for yourself. Listen. In the evening, I go home. I take off my shoes. I wash my hands. I sit on the sofa. I take a deep breath. I feel relaxed. Then I spend time with family. I talk to my parents. I talk to my children. I talk to my friends. Sometimes I go outside. I walk in the park. I meet my friends. I buy food. At home, I help in the kitchen. I cut vegetables. I wash dishes. I cook food. Then I eat dinner. I eat with my family. We talk. We laugh. This is a happy time. Now you try. I go home. I relax. I eat dinner. I talk to my family. Excellent. Part 4, talking about your night. Now let's talk about the night. Night is the end of the day. Your body needs rest. Your mind needs peace. Listen. After dinner, I feel calm. I watch TV. I watch YouTube. I listen to music. I read a book. Sometimes I use my phone. I check messages. I talk to friends. Then I prepare for bed. I brush my teeth again. I wash my face. I wear my night clothes. I go to bed. Before sleeping, I think about my day. I think about my work. I think about my dreams. I feel thankful. Then I close my eyes. I sleep. I rest. I am ready for a new day. Let's practice. I watch TV. I brush my teeth. I go to bed. I sleep. Perfect. Part 5, making a full story of your day. And now let's put everything together. We will make one full story. Listen carefully. This is how you can explain your day. I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth and wash my face. I take a shower and wear my clothes. I eat breakfast with my family. After breakfast, I go to work. I take a bus. I reach my office at 9. I work on my computer. I talk to my coworkers. I eat lunch at 1. After lunch, I work again. I feel tired, but I try my best. In the evening, I go home. I relax and talk to my family. I eat dinner. At night, I watch TV. I brush my teeth. I go to bed at 10. I sleep well. This is a complete day, simple, clear, natural. You can change it. Use your life. Use your time. Use your words. Part 6. Practice tips for you. Now, I will give you some easy tips. Tip 1. Speak every day. Talk about your day alone, in front of the mirror, in your room. Tip 2. Record your voice. Listen again. Find mistakes. Improve slowly. Tip 3. Do not fear mistakes. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn. Tip 4. Repeat this episode. Listen again tomorrow. Listen again next week. Practice makes you better. Motivation for learners. Dear friend, you are doing great. Learning English is not easy, but you are trying. That is important. Every word you learn, every sentence you speak makes you stronger. Do not stop. Do not give up. One day you will speak English with confidence, and I will be proud of you. Now we are at the end of today's episode. Today you learned how to explain your day in English. You learned about morning, daytime, evening, and night, and how to make a full story. Thank you for listening. Thank you for practicing. If you like this episode, share it with your friends. Follow Twin Talk English podcast for more easy English lessons. My name is Lena. I will see you in the next episode. Until then, keep listening, keep speaking, keep learning. Bye-bye.